Hello students, now we are going to another chapter today. Okay, so what is the chapter? Chapter is chapter 2, playing with numbers. Okay, at first in the first chapter knowing our number, but in next chapter playing with numbers, exercise 2.1. Okay, now first question is define factor. What is factor? Factor means a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Okay, it's called factor, which is exact divisor of any number is called factor. For example, 4 exactly divide 32, therefore 4 is a factor of 32. Okay, or not only divisor but multiple are also factors. Now then, examples of factors are 2 and 3 are factors of 6 because 6 divided by both 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Also 3 and 5 are factors of 15 because 3 divide 15, also 5 divide 15. Okay, so 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So first question is only definition. Now what is the second question? Write all the factors of each of the following. Okay, question number 1 is 60. We can write 60 into 1. Okay, we can write 62 2 into 30 also, because 2 into 30 is equal to 60. We can write 3 into 20 60. Okay, we also write 4 into 15 because 4 into 15 is equal to 60, and we can write 6 is to 10. Okay, 6 into 10 is 60, but when we proceed in this way, if we write 10 into 6 it is same. Okay, if we write 12 into 5, yes, 12 is also a factor, no? So you take 12 into 5. Okay, so the factors of 60 are, what numbers come? 1 2 3 4, here 5 6 10 12 15 20 30 60. So the factors of 60 are 1 2 3 4, here put also 5 because 12 5 is 60. Okay, 60 is equal to 12 5 is 60, and here put 12. Okay, these numbers are factors of 60. Question number 2 and 3 you do. Okay, now question number 4, 729 into 1. Okay, we can write. Now it is it cannot be divisible by 2 4 6 any even number, because the number is odd. So we divide it by 3. So when we divide it by 3, we got 243. So we can write 3 into 243 in the place of 729. Okay, it is also not divided by 5 because 5 divides only the numbers whose unit digit 0 and 5. Okay, now it is divisible by again 9, so we can write 9 into 81. Okay, 9 into 81 equals 729. Okay, now it is again divisible by 27, so we write here 27 into 27 in the place of 729. So what is the factor of 729? The factor of 729 are 1 3 9 27 81 243 and 729 also. Okay, remember 1 and any number itself are the factors of itself. Okay, now Write first 5 multiples of each of the following. You know the table of 25, or simply you write 25 into 1, 25 into 2. First 5 multiples means multiplied with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If we ask first 10 multiples, then multiply up to 10. Okay. So 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, 25 3 is 75, 25 4 is 100, and 25 5 is 125. Now here you do yourself. Okay, 45. So I write here 45 into 1, 45 into 2. You multiplied and write here. Okay, like 45 1 is 45, 45 2s are 90. Okay, 145 into 3 135, 45 into 4 180, and 45 into 5 225. Okay, right, and do your other remaining question. Now what is your question number 4? Question number 4 is, write of the following numbers have 15 as their factor. Means 15 is factor of this number or not? So it is easy to solve when you divide this number by 15. Okay, we get a remainder 10. Okay, you know the division, you divide yourself. Okay, if you got remainder, so 15 is not a factor of 15,625 because it is not a divisor of 15,625. Okay, now in the second question, when we divide this number by 15, we got no remainder, means it is completely divides this number. 15 completely divides this number. So 15 is a factor of 1,23,015 because it is a okay divisor of 1,23,015. Okay, now go and practice your other questions. Okay.